In this video, I'm going to talk about the 6 best affiliate marketing tools for beginners. And these softwares are important when you are running an affiliate marketing campaign, so you can collect email, then you can send follow-up email to the customer, and you can promote the offers that you want. But when you are beginners that you are starting affiliate marketing, you can't afford to pay the highest premium fees for these tools. So I picked a 6 tools or softwares or website that you can use for email marketing, and I'm going to tell you my favorite one which I'm using at the moment, and you can use it for free. Still, there is a paid version for when you are starting your email affiliate marketing in the big levels. That means you're able to make 5 to 10 grand per month, so you can go with higher paid version. Until that, you can use the free version without paying using your credit card, and this system works worldwide, so anyone can any part of the world they can use this software. 100% is free. So the first one, my favorite one, is called a Mailchimp. You can see this is my dashboard here. Mailchimp is free to use, and I'm going to show you the other tools and how many emails that you can collect per month and how many emails that you can send and everything. I'm going to show you that. Is a simple short video, so watch the video until the end. So this is my Mailchimp dashboard. Here, if you go to here, click create and click email, where you're going to send a bulk email to your recipients. So after you click email and select the campaign name, so for this video I'm going to keep like a YouTube and click begin. After that, it will give all the template that you can use. Try like a simple, just copy and paste method, guys. All you have to do is put the campaign name, and you have to select the recipients for your email campaign, so you can collect those emails under five different names. For example, here you can say the 2 for recipient. If you click edit recipients, so I have a 41 recipient under one section this name, but if you can have a multiple account, that you can select the one that you want to send email. After that, click save. Then this is where you send your email from. The subject is what is the name of the subject, so you can add one, like you can put anything that you want. So for this, I'm going to type like a YouTube and click save. After that, this is the content where you can edit the content. You don't have to buy anything, you don't have to know any designing tools or knowledge to do that. Just click that, it will give all the template that you want. For example, if you are selling anything, you give an e-commerce template, and you have a different template which I'm going to show you in a minute. So you can see these templates. This template is for selling the product, this is for making announcement, this is for a template for telling a story, this is the follow-up template, and this is an educated template that you can select the basic what we call basic template, so you can edit from scratch if you want. I'm going to show you how you can collect email address. For example, you can send email to your followers, but you need to collect emails to send them. So you can add this pop-up or the forum in your website or your landing page. This is how you're going to collect the email address, right? So what you have to do, click campaign here, not campaign, audience here, and you can see there's a different section. You can collect the sign up forum here, surveys, and leave that behind, and only you have to worry about these sign up forums, where if you click that, it will give the different type of sign up forums. So form builder, embedded forum, subscribe pop-up. This is the one I'm using at my website. Here you can see this is the subscribe forum. If you go to my website, you can see you put your name and the email, automatically that you add your list to my email list. Then I can import that list to Mailchimp. At the moment, I'm not using Mailchimp to my website. I'm using different tools because it comes with the theme for free, so I'm using that, but I can't send the email. So what you have to do, when I collect this email, I need to export that email, then I have to import the email onto Mailchimp, and I can send bulk email in the future if I want to. This is how I choose using Mailchimp to send email, so you can run affiliate marketing with that. But there are other tools including Mailchimp. There's 6 base tools that you can use for affiliate marketing. It's email marketing tools. So if you click this, I put the link in description about this article that you can go and read. These are the 6 best email marketing tools. So the first one is called Sendinblue. That means you can collect unlimited email list. So if you create a forum, put it in a website or landing page, you can collect unlimited email list, but the monthly sending limit, so if you want to send email every single month, is 9,000, daily 3,000 email able to send, so you can't send more than 3,000 daily. If you go to Mailchimp, is 2,000 subscriber limit, so you only able to collect 2,000 with a free account, but the monthly send limit is higher, is 10,000, and the daily send limit is 2,000. So if you go to the third one, is called Mailchimp and OmniSend are unlimited to collect email, so you can collect the email list that you want, but you can see the benchmark only able to send 250 per month. Daily is unlimited, but 250 per month is worthless, guys. It's not useless, but if again, you can try it because it's free. You can try it if you want. There's OmniSend is unlimited to collect email list, but they give you 15,000 email to send every single month and 2,000 per day, which is good. Then the center is again 2,500 per month email list, but the monthly send is 15,000 and the daily is none. So you can, if you want, you can send the 15,000 email per day if you want, but your monthly limit is 15,000. Again, the last one is called MailerLite, is again 1,000 email list count, and you can able to send 12,000 per month, and the daily send is no. So if you asking which is my best here, at the moment I'm using Mailchimp. I'm using for a very long time, so that's why I talk about in the starting of the video. But if you ask me what is the best email marketing tools, if you want to try out new, I am going with OmniSend. So this one is called fourth one, the OmniSend here. And if you go with that, you can collect unlimited email and 15,000 daily monthly sending, which is 2,000 per month, which is good. So you can go and sign up with a free account with here, and you can join and see what is the work. You can see it's a simple format. You can go and sign up today and you can use it for free today. You don't have to put any credit card information there because it's only free account. So I hope you understand those 6 best affiliate email marketing tools for affiliate marketing. I put this link for this article in the description. Go and check it out. And if you want, guys, a tutorial on Mailchimp, how to collect emails, how to create email forum, or how to send a automated email to the audience, something like that, leave me a comment so I can do that. Again, if you want to be in the 10 pound PayPal money, all you have to do is subscribe, like, press the bell icon. Don't forget, you have to like this video and press the leave a comment that I like this video, put your PayPal address. When this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway. So tomorrow is a 9th September. I'm gonna release a make money online video. So it's like a make money online video is every other day. In the middle I'm gonna do just like a tutorials on print on demand like this. So if you have any questions, leave me here so I can make a video on that, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next video.